We are at the Loft today. Gorgeous interior, artwork, fixtures. We're going to be in loft number 1 today. Loft number 1. Gorgeous interior when we walk in. Direct view of the living room area. Let's turn to our left. There's a little sitting area. An island. Kitchenette. Let's see what's in the kitchenette. Wine station. Awesome. We'll be enjoying some of that wine in just a little while. Another television. Refrigerator. There is a closet here with a safe. I don't think I'll be using that one though. Let's see. Guest restroom, separate toilet, water closet area. Gorgeous artwork. This living area is beautiful. There's a separate dining area here. Mirrored with a clock. Beautiful light fixtures. Living area. Art piece. Oh, tray ceilings. Gorgeous tray ceilings. Enjoying yourself, sir?
Oh,
We're about to have a glass of that, rather. Oh, we're gonna go out on the patio first because we have to see this patio. Day bed. View of the lake, island. Yes, we gotta start warming our jacuzzi up because we're definitely gonna get in it today. We're gonna get in the jacuzzi today. Oh yes, we're definitely gonna get in. We're gonna have to have them come clean it out a little bit. And then we're gonna get in it, but definitely start warming it up, babe. Yeah. Have a look at it. Gonna go back inside. Ready to get a glass of wine and get in that jacuzzi. I'm going up the steps. Here's our view of the living room, dining area, going up the steps. Art piece. Here's the bed. Those tray ceilings again. They're gorgeous with the lighting. Separate sitting area here. And you have this bathroom area. It's gorgeous. When you come in, you have a shower. Looks like a rainfall shower head. Your own separate water closet. Soaking tub with jacuzzi jets. Beautiful piece of art. A closet with extra cover and pillows. Let's get this view overlooking the living room from upstairs, from the sitting area upstairs. Gorgeous. Tray ceilings. Beautiful view. Go back down the stairs.